Hey everyone! So we're looking at shades of meaning. Words oftentimes can mean similar things, but the intensity of the words can change. Let me show you what I mean. So authors like to use different words to describe the same thing. When authors use the same word too often, it can sound repetitive or boring. So words like toss mean the same as throw and hurl, except their intensity changes. So think about a gentle toss versus a medium throw or a hard, fast hurl, right? They all mean the same thing, but they can be used by an author to share more about what's really happening in the story. That's true for verbs, but it's also true for the describing words that are known as adjectives. Think about this. Someone is thin, right? Someone is skinny, or someone is scrawny. Those words all mean about the same thing, but they can get more or less intense depending on how you use them and the word. So let's go ahead and give you a couple more examples of this, and then we'll find one in the story, and I'll have you do a couple as well. So think about the word hot. We did this one last week, right? Hot means the same as warm, means the same thing as burning, but those words can really change the picture in your mind. The bathtub water was warm. Oh, that's nice. You know, that's the kind of tub that you want to get in. Oh, the bathtub water was hot. I'm not getting in there. I'm going to have to wait a little while or put some cool water in to cool it down. The bathroom water was burning, scorching. That's dangerous, right? So the intensity of meaning is changing. Same for cold. You could have a chilly day when you're wearing a sweatshirt, a cold day when you have a jacket, or a freezing day when you're wearing snow pants and a face mask and a bunch of other equipment, right? Shades of meaning. All right. So I found it when I was reading Managing Erosion a couple of different times, and I'll share them with you now. All right. So it's talking about the wind, right, wearing away the Earth's surface. And then it talks about strong winds being very harmful, right? That's different than if I was to talk about a breeze, right? That wouldn't seem harmful. Strong winds are telling me more. If I said powerful winds, or if I said the word weak winds, it could change the picture. Yeah. That was one spot I found it. I also found it here. The walls of trees, often known as a barrier, can help resist the wind. So it doesn't stop it, but it slows it down. It resists. And then here, people work hard to find ways to lessen the damage. It doesn't stop it, but it lessens. Those words mean the same thing. And in this case, resist seems a little bit stronger, right, than lessen. Lessen seems a little bit weaker. Those words mean the same, but not exactly the same. So, I have one last example. This is a vocabulary ladder, and your job is to climb it by using words and putting them in order where they gain intensity, maybe as they go up. So something is big, or large, huge, enormous, or something is titanic, right? So I have 5 different words for you. You're going to read the words and you're going to move them onto the lines to show that they're changing in intensity. They mean the same thing, but not exactly the same thing. Shades of meaning. And then send it my way. I can't wait to see your work, everybody. Thanks now.